Guys, welcome back. Although I've already made a video with this machine on the Vulnhub, Born2root 2, and I will add the link into the description section below of this video. However, in this video, I use the menu guess to log into the Joomla CMS. In most cases, this way cannot work. We need to use some sorts of utilities or some automation tools to do that. So this is the objective of this video. I'd like to show you how to use different ways or techniques to crack the password with HTTP post form. And very important thing I'd like to tell you is in this machine or with this machine, we cannot use normal ways like Hydra or the Burpsuite to make cracking. So instead, I will use the Python to do this cracking. Enough said, let's just get started. We can go into the Linux VM. As you can see, I will not repeat the steps. And so at this point, we have already got to this administrator portal. So the first way I use most is Hydra. To use Hydra, how to do? We can right-click and go to Inspect and navigate to the Network tab, and we can trigger some requests. For example, like admin, the password, login, failed, no problem. And then we can go to this. This should be the request what we are looking for. So how to do? We go to the open up this terminal, and we can use Hydra, and with L option to specify the username. And of course, we can use the default word list of LockQ to crack. However, to speed the process, I'd like to to create the custom word list by the Q. Yeah, this one, you can see how many words. Yeah, not too much. And so then we can use Hydra with option of L to specify the username and uppercase P to specify the password dictionary, and followed by the IP address of the target. And also we can use F option. This option means that when the Hydra found the password, and then exit the program, and followed by the service or protocol. This case should be post, and then we can copy the login page. So where to get this information? You can go to this one, and you can copy the suffix except the host, okay, and put in here. And then followed by the request payload. Also, you can get from this browser and go to the request. No request. Maybe I need to trigger again. Password. Don't save. Request, and we can, you can copy this payload and put in here. And also this part should be the invalid or error message when we submit incorrect password. For example, if we go back to, I like to close down. This one. When we submit wrong password, and then the target will return this message: username and password do not match. So then we can press enter to let it run. Although it's telling us the Hydra has already cracked the password, and the password is the. Of course, this is not correct at all. So sometimes Hydra is not so stable. The result is not so certain. Next, we can use Burpsuite. So how to do? We can, we need to set the proxy to Burpsuite, and then go to the Burpsuite. Make sure the intercept is on, and then we can trigger another request like admin and password login. As you can see, the Burpsuite has intercepted this request, and then we can send the request to intruder module. Because we already know that you can use Google to make some research. Always the admin, the username should be admin. So this is any field we want to crack. So the first, we need to clear all variables, all dollars, and then we can put this or add the dollar for this password field. Next, we need to specify the payloads. We can load this dictionary, and then we can start attack. Although, as you can see, it's starting cracking, starting to crack the password. However, as you can see from the response, nothing different. Even we go to the right password, the travel, maybe around here. Yeah, this one. This should be the correct one. However, if you cannot get to know this right password by comparing the response. The response with each payload would be almost the same. The length, even the content. I will not wait for this Burpsuite to be finished. So now I think we need to use Python to do this cracking. And I use this module, Selenium. Selenium, this is the third-party module. You need to install it before you want to use this module with your program. And as you can see, very easy to understand. Import some class or method, and we can create or define the method. And this one will create the object of the Firefox. And this one will try to simulate the browser of Firefox to send GET request. And this is the URL. You know that? To make sure we get the response before we try to locate specific element, I put some sleeping between. Okay? And next we need to locate after we download, or maybe we can retrieve the page from the target. Then we can use the method find element and the By.ID or by class. This case I can use By.ID and then followed by the ID name. So how to get the name? You can go to the browser and you can use this. Maybe I need to close up the Burpsuite and turn off the proxy. So the request and the response will be normal, will be recovered to normal. Okay, I need to log out. And then you can use this arrow to locate this username field. And then this one is the ID name you can put into your Python code. Similarly, for the password field, we can use this one. You locate the password field. You can get the ID name for the password field. Then you need to locate the button, okay? And button, because this element doesn't contain ID, the class instead. So we need to find or locate this element by class. As you can see here, I use CSS selector and followed by the class name. And after we can identify or locate this button, and we can click. And then we can, if conditional, if these strings are not in the response page source, not resource, it means that we have already found the password. Just now you have seen this result, okay? Or we have already found the password. And then, we can do the same things for each word of this from this dictionary, okay? So very easy to understand. I'm not sure whether I need to upload this Python code. Anyway, that's pretty much it about this video. The major point of this video is to show you how to use Python to automate the process of password cracking. This is also very important technique for a pen tester. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.